Today we're covering the history of concrete, from Rome to today. Here's what you need to know. Concrete has been a building material for over 2,000 years. Learn how Roman engineering evolved into modern construction techniques used across North Carolina. Quick answer. Concrete has been used for over 2,000 years, starting with Roman engineers who mixed volcanic ash and seawater. Modern Portland cement, invented 1824, replaced Roman techniques and now dominates construction worldwide, offering 4,000 plus psi strength compared to Roman concrete's 300 to 500 psi. When homeowners in Charlotte, Raleigh, or the Lake Norman area plan a concrete driveway, patio, or foundation, they often don't realize they're standing on a building material with one of the longest engineering histories on record. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of five-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company applies modern standards, subgrade preparation, proper water-cement ratios, air entrainment, and controlled joint placement, rooted in principles tested across 2,000 years of concrete use and failure. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, and homeowners pay nothing until the work is complete. Understanding where concrete came from, why it works, and how it evolved into today's formulations helps homeowners understand what they're paying for and why shortcuts cost more in the long run. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina.Concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of five-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in both historic concrete restoration and new construction projects, bringing evidence-based techniques grounded in 2,000 years of concrete development to every job. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Modern residential concrete projects in North Carolina, from decorative patios in Mooresville to driveway resurfacing in Winston-Salem, rely on Portland cement formulations and strength standards that trace directly to Roman innovation. This post explains that lineage and why understanding concrete history matters to today's homeowner planning a project. Moving on to Roman concrete, the original formula. The oldest concrete structures still standing today are Roman. The Pantheon in Rome, built around 126 AD, has a massive unreinforced concrete dome, 143 feet in diameter, that has survived earthquakes, fires, and 1,900 years of weather. The Romans didn't call it concrete. They called it opus cementitium, which means Roman cement work. And the formula they developed was fundamentally different from the concrete we use today. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.